Welcome to Soc 101 Introduction to Sociology. This video will give you a tour of the site so you may familiarize yourself with where to find course content. On the home page, you will find the most recent announcement posted by your instructor. Note that your instructor may also email you announcements, but it's good practice to check your announcements daily. You may return to the home page by clicking the small house icon at the top left of the page, and you may also move through the course site using the cookie crumbs along the top of the course site. In the left navigation pane, you will find the core course content. Instructor info will contain a short bio and contact information for your instructor. You are always encouraged to email your professor with any needs you may have to successfully complete the course, including schedule conflicts, but make sure to be prompt about your needs so you may work together. Syllabus and course info collect some important information. Review the syllabus as soon as you complete this tour so that you will know what is expected from you to successfully complete the course. This includes the reading schedule and schedule of assignments. Because this is a 6-week summer course with a 7th week for finals, the pace of the course will be relatively fast. You want to review the schedule and calendar to ensure that you will be able to meet the designated deadlines for the term. Should you have any questions, connect with your instructor who is here to guide and work with you along the way. The syllabus is embedded in the course site and can also be downloaded as a PDF. Scroll down. You will find a PDF of your textbook. Note that all textbook content will be available in the weekly materials as web content, but you may also use this PDF for reference. Either option is valid for the course. A direct link to the major course assignments can be found here as well as within each week that assignments and portions are due. Rubrics are the templates for grading assignments. You're encouraged to review these before assignment completion to best prepare and review your assignments before submission. Weekly materials houses your learning content. Your first task after reading the syllabus is to complete a short survey. This is a very important task because it will be the basis for your first major assignment. After that, you are asked to briefly introduce yourself to your classmates. We want to start off with a personal touch as we work together throughout the term and learn from each other. Following this, you have the learning content in sequential order. Each learning unit is represented by a theme and contains anywhere from 3 to 6 learning modules. The learning units address the learning outcomes and come with a short introduction. Each learning module contains a link to the textbook chapter, additional texts and media, and a set of flashcards for the chapter. As you plan for your work each week, advance through the modules so you see what amount of reading is required and media watching so that you may best plan for completing the readings and posting your discussion board original post. All discussion board posts are generally due on Tuesday and Friday. You should post early so that your classmates may engage, as each discussion board requires an original post and 2 responses. Throughout the term, you will have timely prompts for completing the major assignments within each learning unit and the modules. Again, review the rubrics to prepare your submissions. Within discussions, there is a general Q&A forum. This is for any and all questions related to assignments, including readings and media. If you need clarification about anything, post your question here. Know that if you have the question, someone else is very likely to as well. By posting to this forum, all students will benefit. Individualized questions or concerns can be sent to me over email. You will notice after your second learning unit that there is a feedback survey. This is an anonymous tool for us to check in so that the instructor can evaluate how things are going and adapt any changes necessary to help students successfully complete the course. Please take a few minutes to reflect on the course at this time and submit your responses. At the end of weekly materials, you will find the link to your final assignment again. Note that the 7th week of the course is finals week, and you are to use that time to prepare your final paper for the course. Again, welcome. Now turn to the syllabus and then to weekly materials to set things into motion. I will see you in the introductions.